X Money, what's going on? My name is Alvin and I am your host. Let's show you around a little bit on the actual Robinhood app. This is the little magnifying glass at the bottom. And I also want to give to you 3 plays to look for in the coming weeks. These could be long holds or either short holds for you. Do you want to swing them over 2 days, 3 days a week? Do you want to hold them for a year, 5 years? Let's get into it. The first one I want you to keep your eye on is a ticker symbol. Ticker symbols are how you can find your stocks. So this is NEO. NEO's up top here, currently sitting at 43.97. This app is very simple. I have options, as you can see, 18 of them, currently down total of $65. I actually had a whole bunch of these earlier and I managed to sell for profit today. I will be showing you my portfolio in the coming weeks, coming days. So first things first, NEO. NEO is in the EV sector. They make electric vehicles just like Tesla do, but they control a majority of the China market and also just the foreign overseas market. So let's keep going on down. You can see their 52-week high was 66.99. So you have potential to get back up there, as you see, as it was once all the way up there at the beginning of this year. A couple months ago, it was up there. But more importantly, you have earnings coming up. Q2 earnings. If you scroll down on any stock, it should show you when the earnings date's coming up. This one is available on August 11th after hours, which means the market is closing. So this has 20 analysts saying it's a buy. Sometimes I take these analyst ratings into consideration, but they can be inaccurate at times. Okay, so August 11th, that means that this stock will be very volatile as that date gets closer, and especially the day when they announce earnings. This can either shoot up maybe $5, it can go even higher than that, or it can drop down $5. You got to be prepared for that situation. So only invest in money you're willing to lose, and I am not your financial advisor. Okay, so I like NEO for a swing. If you want to swing it, as you can see, it's dipped down, it's making its way back up. I can look for it to retest maybe around this 46 range up here. That's where I will be looking to get at. So most people might want the whole 46. Look for it to make its way around about, maybe 45 and exit the play. So get you a small position either now, or you can even wait for another pullback to see if it goes back lower down to that $43 range. I doubt it will, but if you can get you a small position built up, NEO is a long-term hold as well. So say if earnings doesn't go well, you can hold this even longer. Let's get into the next play. It's going to be ticker symbol chpt, chargepoint. And chargepoint was down on the day, but on the week, this thing had ran right on up. As you can see, it was up here to almost $25. And if I show you down here, September 1st is when the earnings come. So we had time. August, you don't really have to worry about earnings messing anything up. But analysts are saying it's a buy. The 52-week high was $49.48. It's at 23, half price off. You get what I'm saying? So right here, it was at 35. You go further out, it had its moments where it was up there, 46, 49, it was up there. We want to swing this or either hold this. ChargePoint is very big, again, in that EV sector. They control a majority of the charging stations for a lot of electric vehicles. If you ever want to know about a company, you go down to the About section. It tells you right here, ChargePoint Holdings is an EV charging network provider, which is committed to enabling the electrification of mobility for all people and goods, and so on. So it's a large electric charging company. It gives you all the facts below, all that good stuff. As you saw, I am holding a position of 6 contracts. I am down $24 because I bought them near the end of close today, looking for that swing myself. I'm not going to put you on plays that I wouldn't actually do myself, or I'm not either that I'm not in or either thinking about getting in myself. So ChargePoint, I would look for even a swing up to $25. So you get a whole dollar right here. So think about it. You get a position built up here. Maybe you get 10 of these, maybe you get 5 of these. You're gonna make a couple dollars. You can exit about $25. Once you get advanced, you could do options like me down here below. I will explain those. That's how you make a lot more money a lot faster, depending on your opinion on how the market is going. All right. My third play is Disney. Disney, yes, the one we all love, Disney. As you saw, it was down 171. Now it's at 176. This play has been stuck between that 176 and 170 window. As you can see here, right here, just like I said, it's been bouncing back and forth, back and forth. So the key here is to watch it. You want to see a break above 177 here probably. And if it breaks above that, be prepared to load up a small position, because now the 177, 176 range becomes support, which means it will bounce off of that and continue to go higher in most cases. They have a 52-week high of 203. As you can see, you got 29 analysts all over this thing saying buy it, 79%. And then you don't have to worry about the earnings until August 12th. This is where they're going to give us some guidance. The park opened up this year, so it should be even higher. But everybody's stressing over, the pandemic stuff. So Disney actually found a way to flourish with their online streaming services. And right now they have a whole list of movies coming out. So Disney, keep it on your radar. If so, you're looking at a good swing up to around $200 itself. I know this is showing 183, but around 200 is where this thing could be going, especially with a good earnings report. This could easily jump $10, $15 in some cases. So keep Disney on your list. All right, the final one. I know you guys might have heard of AMC, right? AMC, everybody's hyping up AMC. Everybody's on it. If you heard of this and you're brand new, you want to get into a little bit of the hype, a little bit into this. This follows no real guidance. This is a lot of retail investors, which is people like me and you, really just showing the big hedge funds we're not giving into them. So if you have a position in this, which I made $10,000 on AMC. Options, I made $10,000 on AMC and I got out, and this was when it was in its early stage, probably about down here at $12. I called that run up right in there. Now AMC is down. They're down on the week, as you see, but now they're starting to find kind of a little position there right about here. You can see it's kind of finding its way. If you're getting into that, you want to be long, you want to be holding it, a good position in AMC, and just see what happens. It has to be money you're willing to lose. As you saw, it went from $12 to all the way up to about $60. You want to be able to lose that money or gain that money. So just as well, you put, you buy one option or one contract, one stock, of AMC, it could just as well shoot up to $60 and you double your money and you're out of there. At the same time, this could also tank back down. It's a waiting game at this point. And I'm just being honest with that. AMC apes are one of the most serious holders of all stocks, along with GameStop and a couple others. If you're in AMC, you get to a position and you just wait it out. When you see the profit you want, you get out. Don't let nobody tell you otherwise. We're in this to make profit. You find your way and make it happen. Because I wouldn't really give you any fundamentals on this. They are doing better. They have earnings coming up. It should get very volatile. I would think even with a bad earnings report, this thing will take off. This thing will find a way to take off. So be prepared for that. As you see right here in the past, July 1st was the last time I think I actually had a position. Where did we go? I had 6 shares, $57 at $57. And I sold up there, as you see. So I made money on AMC. I'm not going to knock AMC. It's one of my biggest plays ever, $10,000. I'll see you guys next time. Stay tuned and max your money.